It's time to learn some Python, a language to rely on. From printing strings to math routines, variables on the horizon. Start using true, false, and conditionals as you try Python's basic principles.
Welcome to Try Python. I'm Sarah Buchanan, and we'll be covering Python basics in this course, starting with Level 1, Birds and Coconuts, covering math and variables. Before we begin our Python journey, let's go over why Python is awesome. Python is known for being easy to learn, easy to read, but is also incredibly powerful, making it great for beginners and experts alike. It also has expansive library support, meaning you can download libraries for pretty much anything, from image processing to data analysis to creating games. With all of these great reasons to learn Python, let's get started. Python is an interpreted language, and the interpreter shell is shown here, and we can type numbers and commands into it just like a calculator. For example, we could type 35 into the interpreter and it'll just return it back to us. Anytime you see the 3 caret symbol like this, it means we're entering code into the interpreter. And the green arrow is the result of running that code. For example, if we enter a number 30.5, we just get it back. The interpreter will evaluate any mathematical expression we type in and supports basic operators like addition. For example, we could type in 3 plus 5 and we get the result of 8. It also supports basic operators like subtraction, multiplication, division, exponent, which is 2 multiplication signs, and negation, which is just a minus sign. Python has 2 types of numbers, whole numbers called ints and decimals called floats. Anytime you see a number without a decimal point, it's an int, and we'll be using those terms, int and float, throughout the course. In Python, just like any programming language, the order of operations matters. In the expression on the left, 5 plus 7 is evaluated first because of the parentheses. Then behind the scenes, we have 12 times 3 with a final result of 36. Anytime you see this icon, that means we're showing you behind the scenes steps. On the right, without the parentheses, 7 times 3 happens first. So behind the scenes, we have 5 plus 21 with a result of 26. The order is an easy to remember mnemonic, PEMDAS, which stands for parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Let's apply our Python math knowledge to a common math problem in the Monty Python world. Can a swallow carry a coconut? What we know is a swallow weighs 60 grams. And we'll assume that a swallow can carry a third of its weight, even though that's dependent on airspeed and other factors. If we divide 60 grams by 3, we see that a swallow can carry 20 grams. But a coconut weighs 1,450 grams. Obviously, a swallow can't carry a coconut. So how many swallows would it take? We divide the coconut's weight, 1,450, by the swallow's carrying limit, 60 divided by 3. This will tell us how many swallows it will take to carry a coconut. We get 8.06, which seems way too low. We may have messed up the math somewhere. If we take a closer look at what got evaluated first, we see we may have made an error. We actually want 60 divided by 3 to be evaluated first, and we can add parentheses to fix this. When we add the parentheses, we get the correct answer of 72.5 swallows to carry a coconut, which is a lot of swallows. And now it's your turn to practice writing your first Python code in the challenges. Have fun!